science of stupid. Warning! What you're about to see is demonstrably dangerous, certifiably stupid, and horribly hurty. So don't try any of it yourself. Yes! This is the show where we put actual sense into what's obviously ridiculous nonsense. We learn our lessons the fun way, whilst others learn theirs the hard way. Then we reveal what went wrong and why, with the help of such scientific principles as weightlessness, gravity, and a little buoyancy. In the battle between fools and physics, there's only ever one winner. Watch out, it's the science of stupid. In this show, we'll be learning about Young's modulus, gravitational potential energy, and static equilibrium, or lack thereof. But first this. We now all know that lightning is merely a giant electrical spark, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. But for our ancestors, it was powerful and mysterious, so they quite sensibly attributed it to the gods. A Viking might have thought this cruise ship had done something to anger Thor. Perhaps this restaurant served Zeus a cold burger. And woe betide you if any god decides to judge your talent show. Yeah, I'm afraid it's a no from me too. Lightning has an eternal fascination for humans, as even today we can't quite believe that amount of power exists in the clouds. But, as ever, science has an explanation. As particles bounce around in clouds, electrons are knocked off atoms as they ascend, leaving them behind at the bottom of the cloud, giving it a negative charge. Since opposite charges attract, a positive charge will develop at the top of tall objects like this tree near the cloud. But air is a very strong insulator, and the enormous electrical resistance makes the discharging lightning bolt, when it comes, incredibly hot. It can instantly vaporize water in anything it hits. The superheating and expansion of air then causes a blast wave that we call thunder. Did you know that a single storm can discharge enough energy to power the entire continental United States for 20 minutes? So to avoid becoming an unwitting lightning rod during a thunderstorm, it really is best to stay inside. During peak season, Venezuela's Lake Maracaibo averages a record 28 lightning strikes a minute. But this is Canada. So that is a bit more of a novelty. As the lightning hits the tree, its intense heat vaporizes the water in the living wood. The liquid instantly turns to gas and expands, causing the bark to explode off in large chunks. This looks romantic. These lovebirds are going snorkeling in a rainstorm, and there's just enough time for a quick selfie. Perhaps a little flash? Yeah, that's better. The lightning strike superheats gas in the air, causing it to expand and send out a shockwave. So, if you find yourself holding something tall and conductive in a storm, it really is best to drop it, no matter how unpatriotic you look. Humans have